Good morning, guys. Ayun, medyo namamaga-maga pa yung mata ko. So pag-usapan natin yung failed trip namin yesterday going to Sharm El Sheikh, Egypt. And just a tip na rin, para hindi kayo matulad sa amin na hindi nakalipad yesterday. Para hindi masayang din yung inyong mga ticket. At the same time, yung mga ginastos ninyo for booking the hotels, reservation, for everything going to Egypt. So yesterday, we came to the airport early. We left around 2 p.m. and arrived there around 2:30 or maximum 2:40. So, nung pinasa na namin yung passport namin, biglang nagsabi yung officer in charge na I need a visa, your visa from Egypt, for me, para sa akin. And then I told him na as per the embassy, it's upon arrival. And he told me na, no ma'am, it's since you are holding a housekeeping visa, you need to secure a visa prior to your departure. And I said, we are traveling to Sharm El Sheikh, and it says that it's upon arrival, and it's only a 3 days trip. They are very insisting, no, we cannot, but they tried na to ask some documents to be sent doon sa immigration ng Sharm El Sheikh and also doon sa airlines na sasakyan namin to confirm kung pwede akong bumiyahe or not. And they said it's gonna take 5 minutes only, whereas it takes too long. So naabutan na kami ng departure time, and it's already past the departure time. We decided to cancel it, you know. At isa pang problema is that super duper late yung information na binigyan nila sa amin, kaya hindi na kami nabigyan ng chance na makapag-decide dun sa iba na pwede namang makapag-proceed dun sa travel. So we decided na i-cancel na lang yung flight. So, yun lang. So, kung naibigay nila sana ng mas maaga prior the departure time, kasi yung binigay nilang decision is already past the departure time. So, talagang hindi na kami makakahabol pa. Pero yung iba sa amin natuloy. So, ayun, lesson learned. So, hindi lahat applicable sa lahat ng visa yung visa upon arrival. So there are certain positions or visa lang yung pwedeng pumasok doon, kumuha ng visa upon arrival. So those who are holding a housekeeping visa all around GCC countries, if you are planning to go to Egypt, please secure your visa prior to your departure. You can have it through any legit agency, and or maybe you can visit them directly to your consular or embassy in your area. So para naman hindi masayang yung ginastos ninyo for this trip. So yun lang, and yeah, I hope this could help you to your processes in the future.